Hi, I'm Mark. Going to do a short video on my Caucasian pups. I thought I'd start here. This is where they were born. This is the whelping pen that I knocked together for them. So they sleep there of an evening. The mum, Ash, she sleeps down there basically for the minute. They normally sleep outside all year round, my dogs. But because she's guarding her pups and she needs to get in there to clean them while I'm asleep, so she jumps in and out through there. I'm going to have to raise this ball because they're nearly getting over that, the pups. Oh yeah, that gets cleaned out every morning so it's ready for the evening. That's where my boy sleeps, Ice. Alright babe, it's me. Ash, I'm talking to the camera, darling. Ash, I'm talking to the camera. Come and see Ash. She might be quiet. She's very protective. There's Mummy. Alright, baby. It's only me. Good girl. It's only me. Good girl. Good girl. You soppy. You soppy. Yeah, good girl. Let me rub your belly then. Let me rub your belly. Yeah. She's practically finished, I think, feeding now. The pups still have a cheeky suckle in the evening, but during the day, nothing. Weaning them off now. Well, they're well weaned off now. Pups are being fed 4 times a day. They're just there. I'll show you them in a minute. What I want to show you quickly is where you'll be viewing them, because I normally split the boys up from the girls, just to make life easier to choose. So if you only come down for a girl, I'll put all the girls in here and vice versa. So this is the viewing pen. If it's pissing down the rain, we're okay, because we'll be undercover. What you'll get if you choose a pup is a colour-coded collar. So you pick your own colour. You'll get a receipt. So that was Daniel. Received £200 cash deposit. Caucasian pup. That was a boy. Microchip, the number, collar, and he chose blue. That's the scanner. So these are all the cards already. That's Ice's details, his certificates. That's my phone number, because basically my mobile phone, the reception down here is terrible, and it doesn't even ring unless I walk up the top of the hill. So that's the number you call. And if I don't pick up, please leave a message after the beep. Right, so yeah, this is their other pen. Hopefully Ice will turn up in a minute. He's not about at the minute. That's where I had the puppies on week 5. They soon wore the grass out in that area, so done away with that pen. And I bought them a new gazebo the weekend. Heavy duty one, so it don't blow away. Hello baby. Hello. Hello. Hello big boy. Hello. So there's all 10 are in here at the minute. This is the one I'm keeping. That's Dusty. There's a girl with the pink collar. And there's that small boy with the blue collar. Other than that, they're all up for grabs. So this big monster, you are big, ain't you, boy? That big boy. Are you going to wake up and come and play? I'll get you some dinner. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? It's a bit early actually. It's only about 12 o'clock. I normally feed them again at 1. But we see how they go. We go and get the food, then we jump in with them. And there's the food. I'm going to have to hold the camera a bit dodgy at the minute. I've got a head strap, I'm going to put it on. Oh, there's the boy. Ice! Come here. Yeah, I have got a head strap, but the casing's so badly scratched that the picture quality don't come out too well. So I might put the camera back in the case in a minute and put it on my head. Right, that can sit there for now. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry, hey? You want it? You want it? Yes? Right. I'll put one there. I'll put one there. Come on, it's 5-a-side. You know the rules. That's it, good. They all fit round nicely then. Get the spider out of the way. Come over here. More room. So they're 6 weeks and 1 day old today. So yeah, the smallest one out the bunch is this boy. But he's been picked anyway, to my surprise. And this girl's been picked. See the pink collar, and that's the one I'm keeping. She's massive. There's an even bigger one, I'm not sure. No, that's the boy. He's a boy. That's a boy. There's the other big girl. This one. She weighs nearly as much as the biggest boy, believe it or not. And don't look at, she looks empty at the minute here. Whereas he's a lot wider. Boys have got bigger heads, as you know. Right, bigger all round. Ice! Come here. No, I can't be bothered. We'll have to go and see him later. Alright, mate, is that nice? I've just upped the food a little bit because they get through it in minutes. Oh. So she's very light, this one. Very silvery. It's difficult to tell what they're going to end up like. For example, Ash was completely black when I got her, with a little bit of brown, and then all the other colours started coming through, the silvers and browns, and Ice was completely blonde, and then he got darker. He looked like someone had bleached him. Smile, you're on camera. I'll weigh a couple in a minute. I've got my scales up there ready. I put the scaffold board in here because I had a step on the other side of that step, and every time I went to step over, they were all trying to sit on the step. So I put a long scaffold board there now, and they all like to perch on that. So they've all been wormed. 2 lots of worming. They will be wormed again at 8 weeks before they leave. They're going to have their vaccinations at week 7, and then they'll be ready to go at September the 6th. Oh, here comes Ice. Alright, it's Mummy. That's Mummy. That's Mummy. Here comes Ice. And the little terrier. Ash is tired at the minute because we got family round and one of the kids is scared stiff of her. And she chases her up the garden. You right, Ice? You right, mate? You're a good boy. Come here. Come here. Don't like getting too close to the pups. You guard them like a shepherd should. When Mum leaves and goes up the garden, he stays here and guards. So it's really good. Hello, mate. Hello, you. Who are you, hey? Who are you? You're the boy. You are the boy, I think. Yeah. That's a boy, this one. He's a big boy. He's not the biggest boy, but he's a big one. Are you full up? Food is gone. Oh, well, I've upped the food and they've left a little tiny bit. So you're satisfied now, are you? All satisfied? Every 3 hours I'm feeding them. Every 3 hours. Hello, baby. Here we go. That's the other boy. And this is a beautiful girl. That's a lovely girl. Bright eyes. That's bright eyes. You're fat. Roll over. Roll over. So basically they stay in here all day long. All day. And I spend most of the day walking around with the pooper scooper, picking all their mess up. And looking at me mum on her scooter. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Mummy over there? Is that Mummy? Is that Mummy? Is that Mummy? Is that Mummy? Hello, darling. Hello, darling. You alright? Yes. Yeah, good girl. Size of their feet. You're a good girl. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl. Right, I'm going to stick this on head cam. And then I've got hands free. So bear with me, please. Yeah, the quality's not going to be. Quality's not quite so good because I've got a big scratch on the lens from crashing on my mountain bike. But it's better than nothing. Right, he's turned one out, so we've got to pick it up quick because they walk in it immediately. And the trouble is, half the time they think the pooper scooper is a toy. And you done? Are you done? Right, let me have it. That's mine. That's mine.
Sorry, I couldn't see.
Yeah, I'm doing a video for YouTube, Mum. I did one yesterday, basically, folks, and now you're all listening. I done one yesterday and I couldn't remember my own phone number, so I've written it on my hand today. So please call 0208 974 2311 if you want a puppy. Who's that, Mummy? You got to see Mummy? Yeah? They got used to your scooter now. They were really barking and growling at it first time they saw it. Good girl, good girl. Oh, good girl. Yeah, you are girl. Bros. Right, I'm going to weigh a couple. Who we got? That's a girl. I can't feel no bits. Let's have a look at you. Oh, yep. Hello, baby. Look at that fat belly. I think she's the largest as it goes. Oh, more poo under my feet. I was going to put this old phone on the floor just for a bit of scale. Don't matter if they tread on that. Alright, baby. I'm just going to weigh you quickly. Yeah. 380, 385, 380. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I've got to get back on that pooper scoop before I tread in it. Whew. Good investment, this thing. And they'll be asleep in 20 minutes after that feed. Right, who are you? That's my girl. Who are you? Is that the one I just done? No, that's a boy. That's a medium-sized boy. Let's get you on in, mate. This is in kilos, obviously. 320. Hopefully you can see that. 320. Yeah. Oh dear, right. Who's the... Well, that's not a point in weighing you, is there, mate? That's the small boy. He is tiny. He's lovely. But he's gone anyway, so you can't have him. He's probably the bravest, to be honest. He was the only one that didn't run away, Mum, when I was cutting the grass on the ride on. All the rest ran into the corner. He stood there looking at me as if to say, I ain't frightened. I ain't bothered. Who are you? Who are you? I don't know which one I picked up and which one I ain't. Oh, dear. I think that's the biggest boy. I think. Unless it's you. Who are you, baby? Who are you? You're a girl, aren't you? They're all big. For 6 weeks old. And things turned itself off. $385. Nearly 4 kilo. Not far off. Good boy. Good boy. Was my one way, just out of curiosity. This is Dusty. $355. She's the third, I think, the third biggest out the girls. So yeah. Yeah, I never really chose her, she chose me. As soon as her eyes were open, she was coming for me. Hopefully she'll get on with Mum and I'll be able to keep her. You all having a kip now? Eh? You going to sleep? You've been putting your head in the water bowl. What's that? What's that? Eh? You got all wet. How you got all wet? They like their water butt. No, you can't have the strap. You can't have the strap.